I like to think we've developed a unique repair process simply because we evolved from a repair center. The process starts with our staff writing up the repair, getting all the information from the customer. We attach a work order tag to the unit so it can follow the unit all the way through the system. When it's delivered to the plant to begin the evaluation, the first thing that the technicians do is they take pictures of the product as it arrived. They compare the model number to the configuration that the model number requires. And that's a very important consideration because product is frequently converted. And the model as it arrives and its configuration can be different from the model number on the tag. Then after that, technicians begin a disassembly process where they go through, they take photographs of the damaged products. They carefully inspect all the parts to try and determine the cause of failure and try to get the customer a very accurate diagnosis of why this unit failed, so that once the repair is approved, the customer can begin addressing the problem on the machine. In addition to changing oil, changing filters, things of that nature, the customer can begin to troubleshoot the machine, locate the problem so that that repaired component can get the maximum service life that the customer needs. After the repair, they go to one of 5 dedicated test benches that we have where our technicians test every unit, set pressures appropriately, clean them up, paint them, marry them to any fittings or any other product that the customer shipped with it, get it out the door to them as quickly as possible.